morning, dear students. Yes, very good morning. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Are you completing your homework regularly? Homework, classwork, everything? Yes. Very good. Then we will start. Just tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 1st. Yes, we are in the October 1st, right children? Yes, October 10th month, right? Here is 2021. Today Friday. Today is Friday. We have English subject. Yes? Yes. So tomorrow is which day? Yes, you know already, right? It's 2nd October. Yes? What is 2nd October? Is Gandhi Jayanti. Yes? Yes. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, right? Yes. You know very well about Mahatma Gandhi. No need to tell, right children? Yes, you know. Yes. Then let us see what is the thought for the day today. Today, only you should change your life. No one will do it for you. Yes, your life is in your hands only. You should only change it. Nobody will do for you. Right, children? Yes. Then, yes, we will start by wasting time. Yes. Which lesson we were in? Yes, the 4th lesson. A Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas lesson, right? Yes, previous class what we learned? Yes, the 4 sisters, right? About the 4 sisters. Yes, that what are their names? Meg, Jo, Beth and Emmy. These 4 sisters were, yes, always together. And what they did? They planned for Christmas Eve. And in that Christmas Eve, they planned to give some gift for her mother. That is Mummy. Yes, they planned to give some gift. Yes, so they planned what all we should give, right? And they put then they told how to give that gift, how to give the gift to mother, in which way we will give the gift. Then they told to keep it in the table, right? And let mother come and open and it will be surprised like that. They planned, right children? Yes, this is not we learned in previous class, right? Then they have planned to do some, yes, drama and all. Yes, so they planned how to do drama, that this detailing we learned in previous class. Right? Yes. Then let us discuss also. We have been completed. Word meanings also. Homework you have done. Right? Yes. If you are not done, please children do it now itself. Okay. Yes. Then next we have exercise 2, literature comprehension. Page number 23. Please take out your English textbook part 1. Yes. Open page number 23. Exercise 2. Literature comprehension. First one what we have, what did Beth, Meg, Emmy and Jo do when it was time for their mother to come home? What they did? Tell me children. Yes. What they did? They planned to give some gift, right? Yes. So I will write the answer on the board. Okay, copy down. Yes children. See, I already written. Okay, so what is the first question? What did Beth, Meg, Emmy and Jo do when it was time for her mother to come home? When her mother was coming to home, what they did? Tell me. Yes. Beth put a pair of slippers down to warm. Yes, Beth put the slippers down to warm. Okay, please copy down children now itself. Then Meg stopped lecturing and lighted the lamp. She stopped talking. More she was talking, that is lecturing. Okay. She stopped that and she lighted the lamp. Okay. Then Emmy got out of the easy chair without being asked. She was sitting in the easy chair. Right. Then without others told her to get up, she only get up from the place, from the chair. Okay. Then Jo forget how tired she was as she prepared to hold the slippers closer to the glass. She was very tired. Who? Jo. Jo was very tired. She is not able to explain also how tired she was. And she prepared to hold the slippers closer. The slippers were very wet. So she was keeping near the place where the fire will be. They will be kept, right? In winter season and all, in the or in Umuti or some other cold places, they will have one fire exit, right? There she was holding the slippers to get warm. That slipper should get warm, right? For that. Okay. Yes. Then next, second question. second question, children. What did all the girls want to buy for mermaid at first? What they wanted to buy for mermaid? Mermaid is mother. Yes, I already told you. Yes. What they wanted to buy? Yes, see here. All the girls wanted to buy mermaid a pair of slippers. Pair means two slippers, right? One slipper can you wear? No, two. That is called pair. Okay. Pair of slippers. Okay. Then next the third question. What is the third question, children? How did the girls decided to give the gifts to their mermaid? How they decided what? How they will give the gift to the mermaid? How they plan? Yes. The girls decided to put the gifts on the table. Yes, I already told you. Yes, on the table and watched mermaid open them. And they watching how when she will open, how she will get excited. Like that, they were looking at her mother. Okay. They wanted to surprise her after letting her think that the gifts were for the girls. The mother is thinking that the girls only that gifted this, but it is not like that. This is surprise that gift is for her mother only, for their mother only. Okay. Yes. Then next, fourth question. Who according to Jo is the best actress? What will happen if she stopped acting? Yes, here we have two questions, right, children? Yes. What according to the Jo is the best actor? Who is according to the Jo? Who is the best actor? According to Jo, Meg is the best actress. Yes, who is the best actress? Meg. Okay. Then second question, right? What will happen if she stop acting? If she stopped acting, what will happen? Everything would end if Meg stopped acting. If she stopped acting, everything will end. Okay, that will happen, right? Yes, so the two questions you have to complete this 4 question answers now itself in your textbook, children. Yes, please complete it in page number 23 and 24. Okay. Yes, please watch the video and complete it. Okay. Then next we have exercise 3, reference to contacts. Read the sentence from the story and answer the questions. Okay. Here they have given the, yes, read the sentence from the story and answer the questions. In this story, you have to read the sentence. Okay. And then you should answer. See. I am the man of the family, how that Papa is away, and I shall provide the slippers, for he told me to take special care of mermaid while he was gone. Yes. Yes, children, this was said by one girl, one of that girl, right? Yes. Who said this and to whom? Yes, who said to whom you should say? This was said by who? It was said by Jo. Right, it was said by whom? Jo. Yes, I'll write it on the board, children. You will copy it down. Okay, so shall I rub this? Yes, I'll rub it. Yes, children. First one is, that is A answer. Okay, this is A answer. Yes, who said this, children? Jo. Correct? Yes, Jo says this. And say this to whom she said, children? To her sisters. To her sisters she told. Okay? Yes. Then next B. What is the B? Yes. Where has Papa gone? Where has Papa gone? Who told this? Yes. Papa has, who said to whom? This is not, okay. Only this is they are asking. Here they are asking, where has Papa gone? Where he went? That you should write, okay. Papa has gone to fight the war. Right, children? Yes. To fight in the war. In the lesson we learned, right? Yes, that girl was telling they went to war and they were living with mother, like that, right? Yes. Then next C mermaid slipper. What has happened to mermaid slipper? Yes. Tell me. Mermaid slipper. Mermaid slippers are worn out. Worn out. Okay, it was worn out. Then D. What is the D question? Yes. Sorry, not the D, children. Sorry, the second. Yes, this is the first one. This is the second A answer. Okay. Yes. What is the second? Let us read that. I don't mean to act anymore after this time. I am getting too old for such things. Who is speaking these words, children? Yes, they are asking in A. Who is speaking? Who speaks this word? Tell me. Yes, Meg. Okay, Meg is speaking. Who is speaking? Meg is speaking. Meg is speaking. Okay, please write down answer, children. Then B. What does this time refer to? This time. What does it refer to? Tell me. Yes. This time. This time refer to the play. Yes. Play they will be doing on Christmas. On Christmas. Okay. Yes. See children. Yes. This time refer to the play. What they were going to play. Play means it is a drama. Okay, play. They will be doing on Christmas. On the Christmas. This time is referring that they are going to play the what? They are going to play. They will be doing this play on Christmas. Play means it is drama. Okay. Yes. Please copy down, children, this. Yes, in page number 24, exercise 3. Yes, complete it. Then next we have exercise 4, value-based question, judgment and appreciation. First one is, do you think the girls loved her mother? State any one incident from the story to support your answer. If they loved her mother means, then why they loved her? Okay. You should say any incident in the story. You will read the story means you will get. What is the incident that will tell us that they love their mother? Okay. Yes, sir. That also I will write on the board, children. Now shall I have this? Please watch the video and complete it. Okay. Yes, children. See, I have already written. Okay. Do you think the girls love their mother? Yes. That is yes. Okay. Yes, the girls love their mother. Okay. Then state any one incident from the story to support your answer. To support your answer, you should state any one incident in the story. Okay. When it was time for their mother to join them, they all brightened up to welcome her mother. Yes, this will show the love, right? Yes, to welcome her mother, they brightened up. When to put a pair of slippers down to warm, that she did. Then Meg stopped lecturing and lighted lamp also. She stopped talking and she lighted the lamp. Then Amy got out of the easy chair without being asked. Amy, she get up from the chair because for her mother purpose. Then Joe forget everything which she was tired also. She forget everything. So Joe forget. Okay. So this will show us that these girls love their mother, right? Because her mother is coming and joining with them, right? So what they are doing? They are welcoming, that they are putting their mother's shoes to warm also, and they are stopping lecture and they are lighting the lamp also, and one person is sitting in the chair, she is getting up and coming to welcome her mother also. And another one, how much tired she is, forget that also, because to welcome her mother. This all shows that they love their mother. Yes, you people also love your mother, right? Yes, in this world, each and every person love their mother, right? Yes, that is nature. Yes, that is mother sentiment. Yes, children? Yes. Then next we have second question. What kind of family was the March family? Describe in your own words. How was the family? That is March family. March family only their family. Whose family? These girls and mother and his father. That family is called as March family. Okay. What kind of people they were, and describe your own words. Your own words you should write it. Yes, you will write. Yes, that is also difficult. Okay, I have written my own words. Okay, so you will try to write your own words also, no problem. If you can't, you can copy this only, no problem. Okay, yes. The March family was happy. Yes, March family, how they were? They were happy. Close knit family also. They were close knit family, means always they were close together, each other. Okay. Then they loved and cared for each other. They cared and loved each other. Okay. Marmi's daughters were close to each other. Marmi's daughters were close to each other. They were very affectionate. They were very affectionate towards their mother. They were very affectionate with their mother. Even though their father was away fighting in the war. Even though his father is away from them, he is fighting the war, they too they love his father also. Okay, they were positive and in high spirits. They were very positive girls and they were very spiritual girls. Yes, if father is not there also, they are taking very good care. They are taking very good care of the mother also. So this will show us that March family is very good family, right? Yes. So my own words is this. You can write your own words also. Okay? Yes. So we completed, right, children? Next we have the speaking task. Let us read that. Role play. Let us continue with the story. Divide your class into groups of 5. Imagine the scene in which the girls are giving gifts in their mermaid. What would they say? What would they surprise their mermaid? What would her reaction be like? Each group enact the scene. The groups can also decide to change the gifts that each sister gives to their mother. Yes, if you are together, you would have done this, right, children? But you are not together. How you can do this acting and all, right? It is difficult. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Yes, once you will come, right, then we will see anything we have activity, we will do that. Okay, yes. So please children, complete the page number 23, 24, 25. Yes, watch the video and please complete it. Okay, compulsory I am telling you should complete. Complete and send it in the group for correction, and the homework should be very regular. Okay, daily homework should be sent. Not only English subject, all the subjects. Okay, yes. Then complete this and learn also. Okay, yes, learn this also, children. Then we will end up the class. Yes, we completed, right? Yes. Then we will start with the workbook in the next class. Okay, children? Yes. Till then, take care. Bye.